Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to my next disaster. Last year you watched me destroy the Tenere 700, and this year you might get to watch me destroy my new travel camper. I just picked it up yesterday and I almost destroyed it right off the bat, because as I was taking it off I did not realize that there is a river running through my property. So my truck collapsed into there, the whole camper almost tipped off, and then getting it out was a big fiasco. You can see it's pretty lopsided right now and pretty wonky. Luckily I had some crappy old sawhorses. The guy I bought it from gave me his sawhorses, so right now I'm just going to be cleaning up that back area over there, try and get it back on my truck, and then we'll back it in there. And once I get it all squared away and fairly stable, I'll show you the inside. So I needed this camper for my upcoming adventure, which I'll tell you guys about sometime later on. But for now, I'm just going to be getting this thing stabilized, cleaned up, and ready to go for the next big trip. Let's see if I can get this thing backed onto my truck, stabilized in this back corner, and hopefully I don't end up with a big pile of rubble. I had a near disaster of it almost collapsing on top of me, and I ran for my life. I thought to myself, out of all the crazy things I've done and survived, I buy this stupid camper and that's how I'm gonna die. This camper's gonna crush me. Okay, the space has been cleared out. Now I just gotta get the truck backed up and try and settle this thing back onto the truck and see if I can get it in and out without further disaster. Okay, I'm gonna have to jack this thing up quite a bit, and I'm at a pretty awkward angle with the way my driveway goes. So I got it off, so I should be able to get it high enough to get it back on and then back her in. So sketchy. I just lost the back strut. Okay, this is so sketchy. I'm gonna try and jack it up slowly in the middle. See if I can get the weight off to straighten out the stabilizers. Because all they do is they keep twisting. I may be running for my life again, like last night. Okay, I should have just enough height to squeeze under there. I don't have to get it all the way back. Just enough to get some weight on it, and then the truck can take the weight of the trailer. Okay, at least now the truck can take some of the weight if I can get the right angle. So struggling to get it in because the stupid block is in the way of the tire. Okay, I'm pretty much halfway on, so I'm gonna lower it down. Okay, it's half on the truck, but at least it's resting. Okay, that took about 50 tries back and forth. Now it's pretty much as level as I can get it in this spot. Right next to the hole, so I'm gonna try and put not much weight on that one, but I'm gonna put the sawhorses under it anyways. Hopefully no more near-death experiences getting this thing off. So the jack is maxed out. I can't get the sawhorse underneath. There's plenty of space. So I'm just gonna, trim down a couple inches off each sawhorse. All right. We got lots of space under the truck. Enough space for the sawhorses now that I can drive away and let it down slowly and then get the other one in the front. And then I can show you the inside. Well, yesterday when I was unhooking this thing and almost had it topple over, it was a torrential downpour. At least today is decent weather, but it's supposed to rain. I know the guy told me it leaks up around the front, and I'm pretty sure it's wet inside, and I can already see that there's a crack there, so I'll definitely have to get it tarped up and have a good weather day to throw some caulking over there. But hey, for 1,200 bucks, what do you expect? Still not at a good angle, but definitely a bit more level than it was when I first unloaded it. So let's get the truck out of here and find out if I can stabilize it. Well, it's now resting on the sawhorses. This jack is just completely screwed. It's fairly stable. So I did end up with a $1,200 pile of rubble. Yet anyways. Okay, prepare to be amazed. Got a lock, I gotta replace the locks. No key for this, that's easy, so that'll be easy. And lettuce. Salad, no. Let's check out the inside. Ta-da! Okie dokie. All right, we've got some fancy yellow countertops with the yellow table. Cabinets, the bed. Pretty sure I saw it was wet up here. Maybe it was just the light, but definitely I noticed around this corner here on the outside that there was gaps. So I'm sure it's leaking somewhere from there. Lots of storage. The stove works, as does the furnace, all on propane. The sink pump doesn't work, so I'll have to figure out how to do that for the water. But I don't think I'm going to worry about it for the winter, since I can't really have water in it anyways for the winter. It's got a fridge. Ooh, can run it off a 110 gas or 12 volt. It's plugged in right now. I'm not sure about the light and how it works. But yeah, for the purposes that I need, this will do just fine. Come springtime, maybe I'll do some advancements in it a little bit. But for right now, I just got to get some stuff prepared for the winter. And like I said, I'll let you guys know in a future video about my big plans for what I'm going to be doing with this thing. All right, that's it for right now. The camper did not collapse and become a $1,200 pile of rubble. But stay tuned for what's coming up next. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.